Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to trim your video on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device and create a new project or open a project. So that's my video, and here if I want to trim the video, just click to the video line, and here you can find the first trim, and just click to the orange arrow and drag to trim that, and you can pile on the line that, and so you can trim your video. And that's it, so easy. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.